do fix and flips and buy and hold using the burst strategy. Right now, with the way rates are, I'm focusing on fix and flips. I'm working on some deals currently, and I'm always looking for investor partners. So if you're looking to invest passively and if you don't have time, you don't have experience, and you want to earn double-digit returns backed by real estate, come talk to me. I can also show you how you can do that using your IRA and 401k. Lastly, I host an event. I host 2 events every month. The next one is on Tuesday, May 7th. It's in Pasadena. There's a flyer on your table with a QR code. I'd love to see you there. You can scan the QR code to register. At this event, we usually have a speaker that comes out. This time it's Phil Atwan. Some of you that are local may know Phil. He's a 1031 exchange expert. He's amazing. He's very, very knowledgeable about the topic, so come by and check it out. Thank you.
Thank you.